Hello and welcome dear students. I am Shravan Kumavat, your maths lecturer. Already we have started with the topic regression analysis, and the last lecture we have seen the problem based on what exercise 3.1. So now let us do the next type of problem from exercise 3.2, that is question number 12. The information is given in the form of a table. Here AM, that is arithmetic mean of x, is 13 and that of y is 17. Standard deviation, SD means what? Standard deviation of x is 3 and standard deviation of y is 2. Also we are given correlation coefficient is 0.6. So we are asked to find the value of x for a given value of y and also y for x is equal to 10. So we know that for estimation of x we need to find regression line x on y, and for estimation of y we have to find regression line y on x. So for that we need regression coefficient. So first let us find the regression coefficient. So first write down the data given here. X bar it is given 13, y bar it is 17. Standard deviation, that is sigma x, it is not sigma square x. Standard deviation, sigma square x is known as variance of x. Standard deviation is 3, standard deviation of y is 2. The value of r is also given, correlation coefficient is 0.6. So for estimation of x we have to find regression coefficient x on y. So let us find regression coefficient x on y in terms of r. The formula is bxy is given by r into sigma x upon sigma y. Sigma x upon sigma y. Now substitute the value of r is 0.6 and sigma x is 3 and the value of sigma y is 2. So 3 to the 6, that is 0.9. 0.9 is the value of bxy, that is regression coefficient x on y. Now we can find therefore the regression equation or regression line or regression equation x on y is given by the formula x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. X minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Now x bar it is 13, bxy we have calculated 0.9, y minus y bar it is 17. But we are asked to estimate x when y is equal to 15. So put y is equal to 15 in this equation. So when you put y is equal to 15 in this equation, then it becomes 0.9 into 15 minus 17. So I think it is 0.9 into minus 2. So it is minus 1.8. 9 to the 18 minus 1.8 is the value of x minus 13. But we have to estimate x. So take 13 in the right hand side. So x is equal to 13 minus 1.8, so it is 11.2. So this is the value of x for a given value of y. Similarly we can estimate y for the given value of x. So to find regression equation y on x, first we need to calculate regression coefficient y on x. So let us find regression coefficient y on x. Regression coefficient y on x is given by the formula in terms of r into sigma y upon sigma x. So the value of r is 0.6 and sigma y, as we know, sigma y is 2 and sigma x is 3. Sigma y is 2 and sigma x is 3. So it is 0.2 into 2, that is 0.4. This is the value of byx. Now using the formula regression equation y on x we can find. Therefore the regression equation or the regression line y on x is given by the formula y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. So substitute the value of y bar, x bar and byx. So byx is 0.4, x minus x bar and y bar are, x bar it is 13 and y bar is 17. X bar is 13 and y bar is 17. But we are asked to estimate the value of x, value of y, sorry, for the given value of x, and here the value of x is given 10. So put x is equal to 10 in this equation. So this equation becomes 0.4 into 10 minus 13. So 0.4 into minus 3. So it is minus 1.2. 4 3s are 12 minus 1.2. This is y minus 17. So now take y 17 in the right hand side. So 17 minus 1.2. So it is 15.8. 15.8. Now at the end write down the answer in words. So the value of y or the value of x for the given value of y, the first answer is 11.2. Second one is what? 15.8. So this is the technique for estimation for one variable for the given value of other variable. This is all about regression analysis. So in the first lecture already we have discussed that regression analysis is the technique for estimation for value of one variable for the given value of other variable. So let us revise this formula. Again this concept, here we are given am x. Am means what? Arithmetic mean. X, arithmetic mean of x is 13 and arithmetic mean of y is 17. Here standard deviation is of x is 3 and standard deviation of y is 2. Correlation coefficient, that is small r, is given 0.6. So write down this given data and then find bxy. Bxy means what? Regression coefficient. Regression coefficient x on y. Regression coefficient x on y in terms of r, it is given by r into sigma x upon sigma y. But the value of r is given 0.6. Sigma x is given 3 and sigma y is 2. So after calculation you will get bxy as 0.9. So bxy is 0.9. But we have to estimate x when y is given. So when we are asked to find x, then you have to use regression line x on y. When we are asked to find y, then you have to use regression line y on x. So here we are asked to find x, so start from x on y. So the regression equation x on y is x minus x bar is equal to bxy, y minus y bar. Here x bar is given 13, y bar is 17. Y bar is 17, bxy is 0.9. Bxy is 0.9. So here put y is equal to 15. The value of y is 15. So put y is equal to 15 in this equation. So it becomes 0.9 into minus 2. That is minus 9 into 2 is what? 18. So minus 1.8. Minus 1.8. So take 13 in the right hand side. So x is equal to 11.2 is the value of x for the given value of y. Next is we are asked to estimate y when x is 10. So for that we need to calculate regression coefficient y on x. So that is r into sigma y upon sigma x. Sigma y is 2 and sigma x is 3. So 3 2s are 6. So it is 0.2 into 2 is 0.4 is the value of byx, that is regression coefficient y on x. Next is to estimate y for the given value of x, we have to use the equation regression line x on y on x. So the formula for the same is what? Y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. Now what is byx? We have calculated as 0.4 and x bar y bar already given in the question 17 and 13. So put x is equal to 10 to estimate y. So put x is equal to 10 here. So when you put x is equal to 10, then it is 10 minus 13. So 10 minus 13 is minus 3. and 4 into 3 is 12, that is minus 1.2. So take 17 in the right hand side, so we'll get the value of y as 15.8 and write down the answer at the end in words you have to write. So with this we have completed the topic regression analysis. Thank you.